Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to this new amazing video. So today I'm going to show you guys that how you can install WordPress in your domain name using Softaculous apps installer. So the first thing what you'll have to do, you'll have to purchase a domain name and a hosting, and then the hosting company will give you all the login credentials for logging into your cPanel. So you can see that I have already purchased my domain name and hosting account, and this is my domain name, WordPress freebies.online. And what I will have to do next is to log into this cPanel. Okay, this hosting cPanel. For logging into this cPanel, I'm just simply typing my domain name and then give a slash, and after that type here cPanel, and after that press enter. Alright, you can see that this is taking us to this page. Okay, and what you will have to do, you will have to simply give the username and the password that you have received from the hosting company, from where you have purchased the domain name and hosting. Okay, so I'm just simply entering my username and password. Alright, you can see that I have already entered that, and after that what you will have to do is simply click in this login button. I'm clicking this login button, and this is going to take us to a new place. This is our new page. You can see that. And after that, what you will have to do is simply search here. You will see a search bar here. Okay, you can easily search here for Softaculous. Type here Softaculous, and after that you will get these options. Okay, and click on that Softaculous apps installer, and then this will take you to this page. What you have to do is simply click in this button, install WordPress. Okay, and after that you can see that from here we can install the WordPress. Okay, so the first thing what you can do is you can select the WordPress version. By default it is selected the latest version. I'm keeping this default. Okay, I'm not changing this version. Okay, and after that you'll have to choose the protocol and then your domain name. If you have multiple domain name like me, then you can add your domain name which is available in your account. You can see that I have multiple domain name, but if you have only one domain name, then select that one. Okay, and after that just scroll down below, and from here you can give your site title and your site description. I'm not giving any site title or any site description right now. You can give your site name and your site description, and don't worry guys, because you can change these two information anytime from the WordPress admin. Okay, and after that I'm scrolling more down, and you can see that from here we can give our username and password and our email. These three are the most important information about WordPress installation. Okay, so give a username which is really secured. I'm giving here a username. Let's give a username. Suppose this is my username. I'm doing this for my tutorial purpose. That's why I'm giving this types of username. Okay, and after that enter your password. I'm typing here a password. You can see the password strength here. You can also generate the password by clicking here. Okay, this key icon. This is also a great password, really strong password, and don't forget to save this in a secure place. And after that scroll down more and enter your email address. I'm just entering my email address, and scroll down more, and after that click install. Alright, this will take a few seconds or a few minutes. You can see that here the percentage is showing 18, 20. Alright friends, so right now it's showing us the congratulations message, which tells us that congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So let's see our WordPress website. you can see that here are two different URL. The first one is our website front end, our website view. You can see that this is the website that we get by default with WordPress. And the second URL is our admin URL, your domain name / wp-admin. So I'm opening this one also. Okay, so you will see the WordPress admin, and from here you can change all the things related with WordPress and your website. Okay, so I hope that you have successfully installed WordPress in your hosting. So friends, that's all for today. See you in the next video, and if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up. And if you face any problem, then don't forget to comment down below, and I will put our website link in the description below. Don't forget to visit our website, and if you like this video, want more valuable content like this types of WordPress related video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Goodbye.